Adjectives. Grammar for beginners. An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. It is sometimes said that an adjective qualifies or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Words like juicy, angry, shallow, beautiful are all describing words or adjectives. Ahmed is a smart boy. Dark clouds covered the sky. The naughty boy screamed loudly. It is a beautiful day. Adjectives are of three types: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. When an adjective talks about the quality of a noun or a pronoun, it is said to be an adjective of quality. If an adjective answers the question, what kind, then it is an adjective of quality. That is a big hotel. Ali has a wooden rocking horse. The fierce lion frightened the boys. The princess wore a beautiful gown. The tall boy plays basketball. The thirsty dog lapped up the water. Sometimes we come across nouns which can only be measured but not counted. To describe such a noun, an adjective of quantity is used. If an adjective answers the question, how much, then it is an adjective of quantity. I ate some popcorn. All my friends learned judo in school. Hijab did not like any dress. There were many birds on the trees. Sana is on a diet. She eats very little. Manib asked for more soup. When adjectives describe nouns which can be counted, they are called adjectives of number. If an adjective answers the question, how many, then it is an adjective of number. 3 roses bloomed in the rose bush. The hen laid 4 eggs. Aunt Alia bought 12 oranges. Sana played with 5 kittens. Noreen counted 7 fish in the aquarium. Goldilocks entered the house of the 3 bears. Enjoy the story and spot all the adjectives marked in it. Play with adjectives. It was a sunny day. Hina and her 3 friends Sana, Raza and Ali were going to the shopping center. Sana wore a blue frock. She looked pretty. Raza wore a nice cap. It was orange in color. He looked smart. Ali was in a white shirt and black trousers. He looked neat. They walked past a busy street. The traffic was noisy. Hina helped an old woman cross the road. The children saw a tall statue at the city center. The birds had made the statue dirty. The children saw a park. The park was very clean. There were many trees and bushes in the park. The children saw playful puppies in the park. An elderly man was sitting on a wooden bench. He was reading a daily newspaper. The four friends entered the shopping center. It was very big. She bought a beautiful frock. Raza picked up a small toy car. It was red in color. Hina bought a large teddy bear. It was orange in color. Ollie bought a beautiful hairpin for her mother. The lady standing next to Ollie bought an expensive necklace. Next, the hungry children bought hot chicken burgers and chilled colas. Everybody liked the delicious chicken burgers. But Hina found her cola too fizzy. Can you find the adjectives in the following passage? 3 goats lived together on a rocky mountain. Down the mountain, there was rushing river. On the other side of the river, there was a green valley. There were many trees laden with juicy fruit in the valley. The goats wanted to go to the beautiful valley beyond the river. But they were afraid of a wicked troll who guarded the wooden bridge over the river. Select the appropriate adjectives from the box given below and fill in the blanks. On a sunny day, Sana, Hina, Raza and Ali went to the shopping center. Hina wore a blue frock. Raza put on an orange cap and looked very smart. Ali looked neat in his white shirt and black trousers. The shopping center was big. The hairpin Raza bought for his mother was beautiful. I trust that this book will facilitate your understanding of adjectives with great ease. Please like, share, and subscribe to Arsal Academy, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on the next book, Adverbs.